Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you? I'm good. What about you?
I'm very good, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Ahmed. And yours?
Ahmed. My name is Katie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm from Iraq.
Oh, okay. That's wonderful. I have some neighbors from Iraq, and
Uh-huh.
I've worked with another family that was from Iraq with their English. So you guys
So,
are very nice people.
thank you. So, you know a lot about Iraq.
I wouldn't say that. No, no, no. But I have neighbors that live a few houses down.
Yeah.
They're from Iraq, so I've been to their house a few times, and I don't know a lot about Iraq, though. No, no. Other than your culture and your people are very sweet.
And have you tried to ask them about the culture of Iraq, or they speak with you about Iraq and talk with you about our culture in Iraq?
Yes, yes. The wife, the woman, her husband was helping the U.S. Army,
Yeah.
and unfortunately, he was murdered. So she is
Oh,
here. Yeah, she is here
yeah.
as a refugee, but she's
Yeah, I know.
remarried to another Iraqi man,
Yeah.
and they have a child. So she's moving on with her life, but she does talk about the country, and like she just went back there last year to visit her family.
Yeah.
And she invited me to a party. I went with
Yeah.
two Iraqi women to a party, and we
Yeah.
danced. I was the only white American person there, and they taught
Yeah.
me how to dance, and we ate a lot of good food. It was really fun.
Have you tasted the Iraqi food?
Yes. I can't
Uh-huh.
tell you what I ate, but yes, yes, I did. And she makes me tea. It's so good.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. And you don't know about the Iraqi food the name for dolma or
Yes, dolma.
biryani?
Yeah, yes, biryani and what we would call baklava. Is it called baklava? It
Uh,
was is a
it's
pastry.
a rice with a flavor.
Yes. So at this party, it was catered, and there was a whole bunch of different Iraqi food, biryani and dolma, but
Yeah.
also a dessert like with walnuts and pastry.
Yeah, it's very delicious.
Yes, it was all really good. Everyone was so nice, and they were definitely amused by me, white American, dancing, trying to dance to the music. But
Yeah.
we had a really good time.
Yeah, I'm happy for you
Yeah.
because you are learn our culture.
Yes, it was really fun. I
And by
should I should ask
sorry,
you, did you want to practice something in particular with your call? I totally got wrapped up in talking about Iraq, but did you want
yeah.
to practice something in particular or just talk?
Uh, Actually, I want to talk about a topic that I invent with my mind because I have been on Cambly about 5 months. So I have many conversations with my tutors, and introducing. I have we talk about the weather. I decided to play a game.
Okay.
I call it the game words.
Okay. You
Yeah.
made this up?
Um, yeah, I choose a word from my mother tongue, which is Arabic language.
Okay.
So I give you a word, and you guess what is it mean?
Okay. I'll play.
Okay.
I like this game.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Are you interested?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. And if you don't know the meaning, I will give you a clue.
Okay. Okay.
If you still don't know the meaning, I will give you three options.
Okay, that sounds good because I know two words in Arabic. I know the word for friend, Sadiq, Sadiq, Is that right?
Yeah, right.
Similar?
Yes.
And shukran. Thank you. Those are the only two words I know.
Wow.
So yeah, that's it.
I think shukran is very popular word in the whole world, because everybody know shukran. Mati, you're doing well.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's play your game. I'm excited. Let's do it.
Today I want to teach you some Arabic words to tell to tell your neighbors.
Okay.
Yeah. The first word is دراجة.
Daraja. So will you spell it for me so I can write it down? Daraja. Is this correct?
Yes, you pronounce it very good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Will you spell it for me in English?
In English?
Well, will you spell it? How do you spell it?
DRAG.
Okay, is that it?
Double A.
Double A.
At the end, double A.
Okay. Oh, okay. So will you say it one more time?
دراجة.
Daraja. I can't roll the R, but daraja. Yeah. Okay. This is a good word, right? Not a cuss word. Is it a good word?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it's like
a bad word?
it's like a machine. People used it to go to get them from a place to another.
Okay. A car, automobile, car.
No.
It's a machine. A wagon. A wagon? No.
You're almost no. The answer.
Elevator?
No.
Maybe give me a clue. Oh, no, you already gave me a clue. It's a machine to go somewhere.
Yeah, people used it to go use it to get from place to another. I give you the options. Okay. Number one, a plane. Number two, car. Number three, a motorcycle.
I'm thinking motorcycle.
Yeah, exactly. That's correct.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Daraja. So do you have a motorcycle?
No, I have a car.
Okay. So do a lot of people use a motorcycle where you live to get around, to drive?
Yeah. Yes. A lot of people use the motorcycle to get their work.
Okay. So do you want to keep playing the game? Because I have some questions for you. Would you rather just have a conversation?
Yeah, I have 3 words more.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah.
So I maybe didn't do so bad with that one. Okay. What's next? My neighbor, her name is Hiba, Hiba. Hiba is my neighbor. So I'll tell her that I learned one more word.
You know, your neighbor. It's like my wife name.
Hiba. Okay. And her daughter is oh gosh, Ahad. Ahad is her daughter.
Ahad.
Mm-hmm. But I don't know what city they're from. I don't know. But anyway, okay. So let's do the next. What's the next word?
Yeah. If you win, I will give you 5 stars.
Really? Oh, wow. Okay, yeah. Yes, please. Draga. Draga. Motorcycle. Okay. Okay, I'm ready. What's the next Arabic word?
The next word is qalam.
Palam. Palam. Is that right?
Yeah.
Palam. So, P, how do you spell it?
KALM.
Kalam.
Yeah.
Will you give me a hint?
We used it in the classroom, in school.
Okay.
And he always related with paper.
Okay, so pencil or pen?
Exactly.
Really? Which one is it? Is it a pen or a pencil? Pen.
pen.
Kalem.
Yeah. The
Okay.
pencil we call it قلم رصاص.
Kalem. Please say it again.
رصاص.
Resource.
That's the pencil. But the pen we call it قلم.
Kalem. Okay. Another word? You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. I will give you a hard a difficult
yes.
word because you are good.
Thank you. Okay, I'm ready.
جوال.
Jowal.
Yeah, جوال. You
Jowal.
pronounce it very good. Yeah.
Okay, give me a hint because I don't know.
Something that you use it every day.
So a comb, a hairbrush, a fork, a cup. Any other clue?
I want to give you the three options.
Okay.
Ice cream, car, phone.
Definitely either car or phone, but I will say phone. Jawal.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow. I'm just really lucky because I don't know any of these. That's so fun. I like your game.
Yeah.
That's really cool. Very cool. Okay.
I'm happy I'm happy because you are like it.
It's a fun game. Do you do this with your other tutors? You play this game?
No, this is my first trying. I decided to develop this game, but I want to know the reaction of the tutor because I want to before I decided to call you and talk about this game. I think the tutor refused this game, or
Yeah. No, I like it. I think it's really fun. I like to learn as well. I think it's a good two-way conversation. So I think you invented a very good game. And you're nice to give hints. The hints are very kind of you. This is fun.
Yes.
So your English is amazing. So
thank you.
What is your objective in bettering your English? Because is it for work?
I have a passion for English. I listen to English song, and I want to know what's the meaning of what they mean.
Yeah. Yes. What songs do you like, or who are your favorite singers?
I'm kind of 19th era.
19s? Last year?
No, I mean 1990s era. Yeah. Yeah. Like I love bands like Backstreet Boys, NSYNC.
Wow, that's so cool. Well, I mean, I was like a teenager. I was in high school in the 90s, so those were very popular for me.
Yeah, and so am I.
Okay, so Britney Spears, Backstreet Boys, NSYNC. Who else?
NSYNC.
Oh gosh, yeah.
Hey,
I mean, I'm sorry.
You remember all the bands.
Oh yeah. That's really. I think music is a really great way to learn another language. I'm trying to learn Spanish, and I listen to Spanish music, and I think that's a really great way to do it. That's good.
Yes, because when you speak and when you listen to a song, you just enjoy, and sometimes you pick the words from the song. Yeah,
and it's fun to Google. I Google a lot and see what the translation is, and then it's so much more powerful to understand, truly what the poetry.
Yeah, I think the Google borrowed from me.
I'm very grateful for Google. Yes. So
I
what kind of
yes,
work do you do?
I have a computer shop.
Okay,
Yeah,
you fix computers?
I fix computer and sell the accessory of computer.
Oh, okay, that's really great.
Yeah. Yes.
Do you have to use English at all with your work or no?
Yes, the computer, the language, the whole language in English. So I have to read in English and develop my skills in English
Okay. Wow.
to develop my work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you find that reading English is easier than speaking?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. I think
Because
speaking.
when I speak, um, I take a second to gather my idea in Arabic and translating
Mm,
in English. That process took me a second or 3 seconds, and
yeah.
talk with a native speaker.
Right, right. That's,
Yeah.
yeah, I agree with you. Speaking is the most difficult part. I think it takes a lot of courage but you're doing awesome. So good for you. You say you've used Cambly for like 5 months?
5 months. Yeah.
Wow, that's awesome. Very
Yeah.
good. So will
Yeah.
you tell me about where you live, like your city or your town?
I live in Baghdad.
Oh, okay. So that's a large city. Yes, very crazy
Yeah.
traffic and
Yeah, there is very, very traffic here because when the capital is gathering the people, unlike the other cities around Baghdad.
oh, you prefer the other cities?
Um, no, I love my cities because I born and raised in Baghdad.
Okay. That's really
Yeah,
good. That's good.
yeah,
So I live in Houston, Texas. It's also a big city. And
yes.
I like the city life as well. I like busyness and lots of things to do. So yeah, big city life is good.
And do you like moved from city to another? Do you like travel?
Yes. We are originally from Ohio, which is the northern part of the US.
Yeah, I know
And
Ohio.
oh, okay, okay. And so Houston is a more metropolitan area, and we do like to
What's that?
travel.
What does that mean? I can't
Uh, uh,
even pronounce it.
it's a long word, metropolitan. It means
Yeah,
very. It's a city.
metropolitan.
Yeah, it's like the opposite of country. Metropolitan is all
Yeah.
city. Yeah, it's a
Uh-huh.
long word, metropolitan. Very like
Yeah.
very populated is another word.
Yeah, populated.
Populated, yes.
Populated. Uh-huh. Yeah,
Yes.
I know it.
Okay. So, yes, we like to travel. New Orleans is only maybe 6 hours from Houston,
Yes.
and that's a great city to visit. And San Antonio is also in Texas. So, yes, we like to travel. How about you?
Yeah, I like travel, but I don't have time to talk because I have 15 seconds.
Oh, you're gonna, okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. You're doing awesome.
I just want to thank you.
You're so welcome. Keep going. You're
Yeah.
doing amazing. Great job,
Thank you.
okay? All right. Take
Goodbye.
care. Bye bye.
Goodbye.